Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage heaters that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Muskoka Lifestyle Products SunWave Heater. This infrared electric garage heater can be used both indoors and outdoors, meaning you can hook it up in your garage space. Or, as many customers said they do, plug it in on your patio to keep your family and friends warm on chilly summer nights. This high-tech heat source is known for providing instant warmth the second it is turned on, which can be done with the remote-controlled on and off button. It can even be wall-mounted to save space if your vehicles in your car garage leave little room for anything else. In addition, this electric heater is a 3,000-watt IR heater, meaning it has high safety features and is environmentally friendly. What's even better is that this garage heater is waterproof and corrosion resistant, so if you wanted to use it outside, you could do so worry-free. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Heat Storm Wall Mounted Heater. This infrared heater is great for any indoor space where you may not have a ton of room for a standing heater. Several customers hang this garage heater in their garage to be able to work on vehicles comfortably for a long time and during cold weather. What makes this garage heater really cool is that it can be operated with Wi-Fi, so you can control the temperature from your phone no matter where you are. Even though this garage heater gets hot pretty quickly, it is built for safety with a safe-to-touch grill, child-proof lock, and an overheat protection feature. At number 3, we have the Dynaglow Deluxe Kerosene Air Heater. Out of all the times my significant other and I have done maintenance on our Jeeps in the garage during wintertime, never have I once felt cold. That's because he owns this awesome portable heater with 80,000 BTU and the ability to heat a room as large as 900 square feet. He really likes how you can control the fuel-efficient thermostat to customize the temperature to your comfort. This garage heater even comes with a runtime fuel gauge to monitor the fuel level and a pressure gauge to check the PSI. Easily transport this garage heater to and from anywhere outside or inside with the hold handle. This garage heater also requires little to no assembly and allows for easy access to the motor for any maintenance needed. At number 2, we have the Mr. Heater Portable Propane Heater. This radiant heater is also used by several customers for heating their tent while camping and for emergency storm situations when the primary power source goes out. Oh, and speaking of emergencies, this garage heater has a safety system installed where it automatically shuts off when oxygen levels are too low, as well as if it tips over. Leave this garage heater in your garage, or grab the handle on it and take it with you while you travel. This garage heater can heat up spaces up to 225 square feet, so you'll never feel chilly again while you do an oil change or sleep in the backcountry. And finally, at number 1, we have the AEscod Electric Space Heater. Several customers refer to this garage heater as being tiny, but highly effective with its heat output. It can easily be carried to any space with the attached handle, and then picked up right after you shut it off for quick transportation, thanks to its cool touch housing spot. This garage heater even comes with a built-in high-temperature protection system, which shuts it down automatically if your heater is about to overheat. Place this portable garage heater in your garage workspace, at-home office, or even your fitness studio for hot yoga or cycle. This electric-operated heater not only uses PTC ceramic heating technology that produces even streams of heat into the room in seconds, it also produces very low noise levels for you to be able to sleep or focus on your projects in peace. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.